Disclaimer, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Car Beats, man, back with a POV drive, as y'all can see, in the Hellcat, man. You know what I'm saying? Y'all already see by the title and thumbnail what we about to get into, man, and it's hands-free. Y'all let me know if y'all like this new view or not. You know what I'm saying? It's something different and a little bit easier to do without having, like, all the extra whatever going on. But y'all can see, man, sliding every turn in the hood, you feel me? With the cat, traction already off. We're gonna get straight into it. I wish I could see them folk face, man. Dang, hold on. I forgot them pointed, hold on. You gotta point them right for y'all, boy. Oh. Dang, cuz. The magnet thing that holding this, the adhesive on it and came off. It still stuck to it. Hopefully it just stay right. If not, I may have to go old school and put the head mount on. Dang, man, nigga just be trying to buy a little stuff, you feel me? I can't slide that one. Hold on. There's some little niggas outside. Yeah, man, this ain't gonna work, cuz. Oh my goodness, there's kids over there. Y'all missed it. Dang, cuz. I'm trying to, hold on, let me show y'all, boy. I'm trying to use this right here. The little neck piece. Man. Hold on, man. Messing up the video, cuz. But yeah, I was trying to use that little neck piece. Some kid back there telling me to hit the gas. I know y'all boys saw it. So I'm finna put y'all boy on. I'm finna put y'all boy in the perfect view. Give me a second. All right, car crew. So now we got y'all boys in a better environment, better viewpoint. Let's get back to regular schedule. Yeah, man, sliding every turn in the hood, man. All them kids back there, y'all couldn't see them because I had the camera pointed down. Oh yeah, I knew it was too easy. Too easy, boy. It's done too easy. Yeah, car crew. Hey, cuz it's too easy, nigga. Cuz it's too easy. Seatbelt on steroids right now. What y'all think finna happen? That's my first time. I'm trying to get right here. And I had to start doing it with one hand. That would make me up. That just get your adrenaline going. Dang, it's just so different with power steering, bro. Like the real power steering. That's just OD different, bro. I'm telling me to go left. I forgot I had it in the manual. niggas, man. Look at these niggas, man. No, the hood got me acting like that, and there go them B.O.s, them bows. Look at them boys. Look at them bizzles. Let me spin the block, man. Let me spin the block, man. Car crew, what y'all thinking? We just here. Hey, this is the first time ever. You know what I'm saying? It's history. You know what I mean? History for me. Bless the hood sometime. I'm doing it with the air on. I'm tripping, gang. I'm tripping, gang. Ain't nothing going on that way. Ain't nothing going on that way either. But these nittos so good. They're gonna make it work, boy. Them nittos gonna make it work, boy. Ain't nothing sweet about them nittos, cuz even with no tread, if it's dry and pretty warm, oh boy, it's gonna work, boy. Now when I put them street tires on, it's gonna be a different story. A whole different story. Now when I really see what a Hellcat feel like, 305. But still. Well, car gave out my first little attempt. Trying to do a little circle. This is heavily edited and enhanced by my personal editor. You know what I'm saying? But if he made that bit look like GTA. And all you doing is speeding it up and do a little voiceover, add some sound effect. Add a little sound effect to it. But driving a cat with no traction is insane in a good way. This how red I feel with traction on. This how red I feel with traction on, cuz. Oh, let me go that way. But yeah, man. Ain't gonna be a wrap. Alright, crew, man. That's gonna be a wrap, man, for today's video. Make sure y'all boy hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you are new. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from me. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, car crew, man. Oh, no, stop. All right, there we go. But yeah, car crew, man. Make sure y'all boy, like I said, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, man, if you are new, man. Turn on post notification bell. You feel me? All that good stuff. For all my religious folk, man, keep God first, keep him in the midst, man. And everything that you do, yes, we're gonna fall short and make mistakes, and some mistakes that really, really hurt. You know what I'm saying? Take a toll on you. But just try to keep that faith, man, and be consistent on trying to do better. You know what I'm saying? Break the bad habit. 1 day, 2 day, 1 week, 1 month, 2 months. It ain't easy, bro, but you can do it. You gotta build towards it. But also, man, like I say for all the end of my videos as well, man, I'm out of here like yesterday. Peace.